Build hundreds and thousands of backlinks without any manual work. Everything you wanted to know about search engine optimization and link building. Optimizing your website only requires time and a little guidance. Stay tuned for some high-quality search engine optimization tips. You want to make sure that your keyword is included in your domain name. You want people to be able to find your site easily. Remember, not all people coming to your site will be from advertisements. Some people will come from searching for products that are on your site. Make it easier for the web spiders and your rank will increase. Spiders analyze your site's content and keyword usage to determine rankings. Unless your content is easily indexed, your site may not rank as high as you'd like. When producing a site map, keep your site's hierarchy in mind so that spiders can get a sense of the structure of your pages. Your site has to be entertaining to be successful. SEO is something you can do to help website visitors stay longer and even come back again in the future. These small things can help boost your site rankings to the top. Visit competitors' websites to take a look at their source code. This helps you learn how SEO is used by others and the keywords being targeted. Even though you might not want to imitate them, this research can help you think of different keywords and other things to try. Find a name for your domain that relates perfectly to your product and is easily remembered. If people will only hear your site name out loud, as in a YouTube video, this is doubly important. Having a popular website is about attracting visitors and getting them to stay on your site. It is believed that the time your visitors stay on your site will influence your ranking. There are a few ways to increase the visitors' time spent. Forums and other discussion services are a great way to keep your visitors on your site for longer. Meta tags are an important tool for search engine optimization. These tags are useful because they'll show up in search results and give people a reason to click your site. Make sure the meta tags have valuable and concise content. By doing this, you will bring in a large audience and you may even get more visitors than websites ranked higher than you on search engines. Try and establish yourself as having expertise on the relevant field. This is a profitable way to market your sites. You need to design a website that appeals to a well-defined consumer niche and that is easy for members of that group to find. Provide the customers with what they desire, not what they may think that they desire. Proofread content moves products, but many webmasters forget this critical step. Take the time to look over your website and make sure that not everything is legible and correct for your readers and for the search engines. Spell your keywords correctly and avoid obvious grammar mistakes. Otherwise, you risk having search engines lower your site's ranking. Make sure you focus on your title tag. This is the first thing visitors see when they come to your site. This should be a description that is unique to your website's content with keywords that are relevant. However, ensure that the information isn't too long. It is very important to have descriptions of your links in all tags. These will be displayed in place of an image if the image can't be displayed. Keyword inclusion in image tags allows search engines to recognize and rank these images, improving overall site rankings. You want to have meta tags within the sentences that are at the top of your site. There are search engines that use this kind of thing instead of tags to tell people what your site is about in their results. Bad content here can be very problematic. Earn more search hits by using longer or plural versions of keywords. Keyword stemming is a popular technique of some search engines. For instance, choosing accountant as one of your keywords means that people who type in accountants or accounting may not be directed to your website. Use the longer form when it comes to using keyword stemming for your advantage. For example, if you use accounting, then you have your site returned with accountant search results. Procuring distinct, original content is vital to getting your website to appear high on the search engine results pages. You need to work to provide your customers new and different information compared to the other websites that they look at. You will attract and keep an audience if you offer well-written, unique content that is useful to them. Use social media for SEO. Connecting with your customers on a personal level can really make all the difference. If you're using a server that's shared, make sure you're not using a proxy that shares with a site that's been banned. If you share a proxy with disreputable sites, search engines will not rank your site favorably. This can translate into less business. Your page rank will be higher if visitors spend more time on your website. You should take time to produce excellent content so your visitors are compelled to take their time. Why are you trying to rank highly? You began your website with a goal to achieve something, provide information, a product or a service, not to just be the most popular, so keep that in mind. Achieving a highly ranked spot is a terrific thing, but you need to have great content and consistent flow of new and useful information added to it to keep people returning to it. Having good content is one of the better ways to bring people to your site. Post content that is real, unique, and updated. All of your links should incorporate keywords in the text as anchor text. Search engines use this information when determining ranking. Double-check that all of your past content has appropriate keywords in the anchor text also. Based on the suggestions contained in this article, your website could do with a second look. Feel free to make use of this advice and get your webpage up to the ranking it really deserves.